You wake up in the morning, you're all rested up. You're excited about the day ahead. You start thinking about what you're going to do. And then you remember your house is a mess and you need to clean. Take a deep breath, maybe light a candle, and play some music. And get your cleaning mojo on with me. I'm Sarah Lahbati-Gutierrez, and we're here at SMDC Shore 2 Residences, where vacation resort living meets the cozy comfort of home. Welcome to the Good Home. The key to maintaining a clean home is to develop a cleaning habit that is doable. There's no point in setting goals that you cannot meet. But how do you do just that? Today, I will be sharing some tips on how to keep your spaces clutter-free and some easy DIYs that you can do around the house. The first step is to create a program. Have a daily, weekly, and a monthly schedule that you can work with. Once you have that, create a checklist of all the things you need, from cleaning supplies to equipment and tools. Keep your schedule and checklist in a visible place so you will be easily reminded of the things you need to do and stuff you need to buy. Now that you are ready to keep a clean house, here are some tips to get you started. First stop is the bathroom and kitchen. Are you getting frustrated with all the buildup in your faucets and fixtures? Then try this easy DIY. Just soak some paper towels with vinegar and let them sit on your faucet. After a few minutes, get some old clothes or face towels soaked in vinegar and use them to wipe your faucets and fixtures until they shine. Got rust stains on your sink? Just dip half a lemon in salt and you're all set. Just rub them on the surface to keep it looking fresh and new again. And the best part is you don't even have to rub too hard because the acid in the lemon will get the job done in no time. Did you get distracted and burned your food? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. The most well-known trick in the book is to use hot water and dish detergent. Just fill the burnt pan with water, making sure that the entire burnt area is covered, then add 4 to 5 drops of dish detergent. Bring the water to a boil and let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool for 20 minutes and throw all the residue away. You can now clean your pan the usual way. Let's talk stains some more, but this time let's deal with laundry. Coffee or tea? Everybody loves drinking them, right? But do you know that baby powder will get rid of coffee or tea stains on linen? Just sprinkle baby powder on the stain and rub them in, making sure that the baby powder is well absorbed. Then use an old toothbrush to brush the stain away. Once the stain is gone, you may now wash your clothes just as usual. Looks easy, right? Now, how about ink stains? Here is a simple solution. Put a generous amount of toothpaste on the stain and using an old toothbrush, rub the toothpaste in until most of the stain is gone. It is now easier to remove the stain during the wash. For those of us with kids, we all know how creative they can get. So if you have to deal with crayon stains on your upholstery and don't know what to do, let me help. First, scrape off excess crayon with a spoon, then soak the area with water and blot with a paper towel. Next, apply a small amount of soap or liquid dish detergent and gently work it in with a brush using circular motions. Use a damp sponge to remove the stain and repeat the process until the stain is gone. So how about crayon stains on the wall? I think most of us had this problem at some point. Here is a simple trick that you can do. First, smear a generous amount of toothpaste on the stain, then dip an old toothbrush in a mixture of water and baking soda and start scrubbing. Wipe the whole thing with a damp cloth, and now your wall is clean again. I love hosting dinners with family and friends, so I'm always in search of the perfect tableware and flatware. But the part that I don't like is removing sticker labels. Good thing I found a solution. Just dab a piece of cotton with cooking oil, smear it on the sticker label, and rub the sticker residue away. We all have mirrors in the house, and it's always a pain to clean them. The easiest way is to spray some glass cleaner and wipe with coffee filters or newspapers to avoid any streaks. Alternatively, you can also rub some chalk powder on the surface to absorb any oil and dust, then wipe it clean using a sponge. To keep you from feeling overwhelmed with all the cleaning, involve your kids or other members of your household and make it a game. And once you're done, reward yourself. There are so many benefits to having a clean home, but you'll only see your changes in your space when you take action. So take charge of your mess and start living the Good Home experience. This has been another episode of The Good Home. I'm Sarah Lahbati-Gutierrez, saying goodbye from the luxurious resort-inspired SMDC Shore 2 residences. See you on the next episode.